Hi guys, what's up? So this is the day the Lord has... Hindi. So guys, nandito na kami sa pick-upan ng camper van. Ayan, ang daming camper van. Ayan, yung may nguso yung sa amin guys. Yan, oh. And andun na si Kuya Jack. Pupuntahan ko na siya. So guys, andito na tayo sa office nila. Yan, very malamig. So, prepare na daw yung car seat and mag-orientation. And then, let's go, go, go. So guys, ito na siya. So ayun na guys, sa pick up na namin yung camper van and iniwan ako ni Kuya Jack. Charot. Hindi, kasi syempre ako magdadrive pa uwi nung sinakyan namin, di ba? So see you na lang sa bahay. Are you excited guys? Excited na sa mahabang biyahe? Oh my God. Kita pa wishing.
Woo! Are you ready, guys? Tapanganin, gaburan ng aning sad. Are you ready, Winta? Are you ready?
Yeah!
Yay!
So guys, one last check lang tayo sa bahay bago umalis. Okay na! Wow! Snacks na.
Game?
Okay, game. Ang weird na upuan. Hindi siya comfy.
Okay, we're going na.
Yay! Sige. So guys, nandito tayo ngayon sa KFC. Magda-drive to. So wala pa kami guys, 20 minutes stopover na agad. Kailangan kasi hindi kami nag-breakfast and lunch. Ayan, nag-order na kami ng bucket and ako nag-order ako ng zinger. Amis ko yung zinger.
Nothing to...
So ayan na guys, nakuha na natin. Woo! Delivery mo. Woo! So dito na ako. Where's my zinger? Aray ko di Aray ko guys! Nauntog ako. Dito. So guys, eto na nga. Andito na tayo sa first stop. Ito kami sa Cathedral Rock. Eto, ching! Charot. So, i-edit ko siya na may parang picture. In fairness, guys, malamig. Nasa 23 degrees ang temp. Let's go! Si Winter. Naglo-lotion. Siyempre, kailangan ng SPF. Wow!
Hey guys!
Wow! Si Cloudu!
Okay, go to daddy.
Baka kay Winter ka din ko. Ang ganda ka
Ay,
Sabi na eh.
Oh, sir, this is yours.
You're so cute. Ay, you're so cute. Ay, you're so cute.
Yan, first stop pa lang. Sobrang excited.
Kaya nga. Oh my gosh. Are you excited? So, ano din. Aray ko dip. Aray ko dip. Aray ko dip. Guys, pangalawa na akong beses na untog. Hindi naman ako katangkaran. Katangahan lang. Hindi katangkaran, katangahan. Andito po tayo ngayon sa may Cathedral Rocks. Dinayo ng aming team itong nasabing mga bato.
Are you gonna cut that out or are you gonna leave it in?
I'm gonna leave it in. Naka-jacket kami. Si Kuya Jerry naka-jacket. Wow, Cloud! What's that, Cloud? Cloud. Wow! You're so cute, Win. So, kakopo ni Win-Win! Kakopo mo ni Win-Win na kan! Kisay ka na akas! Let's go to the beach. Let's go to the beach. So guys, naka-jacket na kami kasi malamig. And protection na din siya sa sun. Shit! Ayun na yung ano, yung sand. Hindi ako nagpalit. Okay lang yan. Magtak-tak na lang tayo. Itak-tak mo. Tak-tak-tak mo. Wow! May nagpa-parasailing. Guys, lumulubog ako. Grabe naman yung lubog. So guys, ang ganda. Kasi di tayo dyan makakaligo. Grabing alon. Pwede ka dito mag-surf. Yeah. Cloud. Uy. Ara, si Win. You don't like it? Masakit!
Okay, 10 minutes.
Okay guys, that's it. Ay, pwede ka madali. Hey, Rain, get in the frame. 1, 2, 3, smile! Okay, let's go. Yun ang picture namin, guys. So guys, nandito na tayo sa second stop natin sa day 1 road trip. This is called the Little Blow Hole. Ito siya. Talagang nangunguna na ako. Hintayin natin yung Familia Sena. Hindi mo masyado mainit, ay malamig. Dalaan nyo na lang dyan sa buray! Minsa, come here.
So hungry.
Win, hold my hand, please.
Oh my God.
Nagdulkulaks ka? Galing mo talaga. So, eto na guys, yung isa sa tourist spot dito sa Australia. Wow! Nakita ko agad. Oh my God! Ito yung Little Blowhole. Oh my gosh, ang ganda guys. Tapos wala masyadong tao. I love it. So, ito siya. Montage. Oh, ang ganda guys. Yan ang Little Blowhole. Kasi magbo-blow siya dyan sa hole. Ayan, oh. Wait natin. Uy, di ba? Nagulat ako. Guys, na-shock me. Na-shock ang bakla. More. More. Ano? Ay, ayun no. Wow. Si Cloud. Nagulat si Cloud. So guys, kunin natin yung tripod para makapag-picture naman tayo. Sayang naman ang view. Oh, buti pinilit ko dito, guys. Uy! So that's our little blowhole adventure. Winter! Winter! Hold my... Ang saburay ni Bain niya. You like it there? You like watching the waves?
Yes.
I'm the wind and I'm pushing you back.
Whoa! Let's go.
To help Tita Pao.
Help me!
Dang it. Just left her.
What's that? Flower. Swerte yung mga may bahay dito sa gilid lang. Kung ako dito, nagtinda na ako. Mga kwek-kwek, ganun. Grabe yun, palang pagod na ako, guys. Ayan, guys. Kain-kain muna. So, guys, hintayin natin si Rafiki. Hintayin natin. Oh, may salamin pala dito. Hello, hello, baby, you call, I can hear a thing. How's your pandesal? You like it? How's the pandesal? You like the pandesal? Ang tagal niya, guys. Kanina pa. Kanina, hindi niya napa-flash eye na. Hindi makalabas. Wow! Success!
Sorry, guys.
Because of delay, pagod. Alam mo kasi guys, alam niya, syempre naka-schedule kami, di ba? Alam niya na aalis magta-travel. Nag-dulkulaks na naman! Si Dulkulaks girl, oh. Guys, ay nang iniwan ko na sila. Gusto ko na mauna. Dito kami guys sa third stop namin sa Billy's Lookout. Oh my God, ang galing. Oh my God. Guys, para akong nasa ibang bansa. Shit. Well, I am. It's so beautiful. Grabe, Australia, iba ka. Ang ganda-ganda mo. Feeling ko para akong nasa New Zealand. Pati. Okay, pag sabi ko 1, 2, 3 pose, mag-pose nga. 1, 2, 3 pose. So guys, yan ang mga langaw, te. Nahalikan ko na yung isa. Looking at the past. Cover your mouths. Ayun, daming langaw. Tara na, kadak langaw. Australia, ang ganda mo, pero grabe ang langaw. Riding in a Fiat. And a ramp pack. No slack. But luckily, hindi na ako magagi. Guys, dito na ako dadaan kasi Nakakailang untog na ako dun sa lecheng, gano'n na yun. Ang ganda talaga, oh. Grabe. Wow, ganda ng view nung trash can. So guys, andito na tayo sa third stop. Ay, pang third na ba ta? Hindi, fourth stop natin and the last stop bago tayo pumunta ng tuluyan sa campsite natin. So, andito tayo ngayon sa Girongo Beach. Yeah. Ayan, oh. Tada! Wow, guys, so parang may pool dun, oh. Ayun, oh, nakita nyo ba? So, guys, pupuntahan natin siya pero CR muna tayo. Though may CR, guys, dyan sa camper van. Ayan. Ayun, oh, ang ganda siya. Okay. Yes, malinis. Let's go. Nga. Magsisenti-sentisan ako dun, guys, sa bench. Dun. Kaso di kaya nung tripod. Nahoholog. Mahangin kasi, guys. So, andito na tayo sa baba. Ayun. Shoo! Shoo! Wow, ang ganda naman dito, guys. Free lang siya. Ay, buray mo. Madulas nga lang. Wow! Ang lamig. Ang lamig ng tubig. Shit. Oh my God, parang gusto ko maligo. Uy! May mga fish. Oh my gosh, I love it. Ala si Cloud! Cloudo! Cloud! Winta! What are you doing there by yourself? Hold Tita Pao. When you play with Cloud, okay? Stay there. So guys, puntahan natin yung swimming pool. Tingnan nyo, oh. Ginawa ng pool sa may tabi mismo ng ng dagat. Ang saya. Para kung nasa buruk-burukan. Okay lang mabasa to, guys. Kasi waterproof. Ay, si Ate Gay.
Is this dangerous?
Now, shit, oh guys, mga bata nagsisurf. Oh my God, ang bata pa nila, magsisurf sila, guys. You know. Ala ka, Ate Gay. Woo! Ah! Uy! Uy! Oh my God! Guys, yung sea yorts ko! Kung kailan...
What's your phone in your pocket?
Yeah, it's fine. Oh my God. Magbalik tayo dito, tapos mag-swimming. Oh, yan, may mag-swimming, guys. Oh, ayan, oh. Oh my God, guys, kung taga dito lang kami malapit, siguro me and my friends are always gonna swim here. Wow, ang
That's
arte.
just a straight up pool.
Wow.
Well, actually, your shirt. Oh, like from my perspective, like, it's just the whole wave came onto your shirt.
I like it here. Do you wanna live somewhere here? What if we move here?
And they still have to go to school?
Why? You don't want to go to school anymore. You just want to have fun in the beach. We're just going to move here and then, you know, this is our pastime.
I love to go to school.
So, ayan guys. Bato siya. Feeling ko, finorm na lang siya.
At least you're wearing Crocs.
I don't know.
Look at my slippers.
Because you don't want Crocs, right? Your mom wants to buy one and you don't want.
I was being modest.
Oh my God, Rain! Ngayon kasalanan pa namin. Kasi dapat pinilit namin siya. Oh, Rain, come here. Let's do the trend here. Come here.
What trend?
Like this. Tanan.
Huh?
Tanan. Tanan.
I'm scared.
No, just like this. Tanan. 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 That's the trend.
Really?
No. Minus the boxing part.
Okay.
So far guys, ito yung pinaka-paborito kong destination so far. And ito, perfect. Malamig, pwede ka magtampisaw. Ayun si Cloud, oh, super happy niya. Nakakaganyan-ganyan siya.
Ang huli ko kumain ng bato.
Moment ka mo ni Cloud.
We have to go na.
20 minutes na?
Let's go.
So guys, it's time to go. Kasi kailangan namin habulin yung check-in. Si Cloud ayaw umalis. ayun, bit-bit ni Ate Kay umiiyak. Kasi guys, bet na bet niya yung dito, naglalaro siya dyan. Oh, buti nga guys, behave siya. In fairness naman kay Cloudu. Feeling ko, day one, it's a success. Or, too early to tell. Too early to say it. But ngayon, nasunod namin yung plano na pupuntahan. And we're ready to go. We're ready to go to the campsite. Oh, Cloud! It's fine. We're going to the campsite. There's also beach there. It's okay.
But Cloud went to the water.
Yeah, there's water also in the campsite.
Oh, no, I meant the water on the rocks. Yeah.
We have rocks there also. Kita na.
The sand.
Oh, he's looking. Oh, kita natin eh. Umiiyak ang puso ko't sumisigaw. Ako din, paborito ko to.
Day one pa lang.
Kaya nga. So in day one guys, that's my favorite. Day one pa lang. Grabe na tinaba ko ulit. Oh my God.
Paano?
Chichirya.
Chichirya trip kayong dalawa dyan sa harap.
Kasi ika kan magkuhan niyan. Bawal maturog. So guys, dito tayo sa Surfside. Ayan, ito. Surfside Kudmira Beach. Cabins, Caravans, Camping. Ay, ito siya. Ito yung map. You are here. Dito tayo sa may gate. Ito yung beach access, oh. So kaya kami. Ay, ito. Powered site tayo. PS. Uy, ito yung mga PS. Sana dito, sana. Para malapit na sa beach. May mga cabin dito. Surfside Caravan. Amenities. Hindi sa'yo, amenities. Lumang-luma na yung shop na yan. Kamustahin natin guys yung mga nasa likod. Uy, litian. Nagigig ako. Hi, Cloud! Oh, guwapo, oh. Wow. You look like a model na. So guys, ito number 1, dapat laging dala pagkabiyahe. So, this is, pa sa akin guys. Pasalubong pa sa akin ng friend ko. Shout out ko si Cora. Thank you for this. I hope you're doing fine. See you soon. Anong PS tayo? 6? Oh, nice! PS6 tayo. Ano tayo? Bitch na agad. You're such a bitch. Bitch. Tata, bitch.
There's a little cafe around the corner that you can walk to.
Naglalakad talaga siya guys. Oh, bait naman ni ate. So guys, nandito tayo sa campsite. Oh my God. This is so revolutionary, ha? So, ba na tayo? At ay, di puta ka! Lintian. Guys, kanina pa ako nadadali. Alam niyo ba guys, mga 4 na beses na akong nauntog yung ulo ko. Same spot, same katangahan. Guys, we're here. Take a breath na rain. Nahilo si Rain tot. Si Cloud. Ay, dapat mo! Ay! Okay pa! Hindi. So guys, muntik pa niya hawakan yung uds. Ayun.
Your Majesty.
Wow! Your Majesty! Young Master. Hi guys! So, ayan. Paka-park namin. Baba agad and then head to the beach! Let's go! So, andito na naman tayo. Another beach each. Let's go get away. They say. Ito yung access niya, oh. Ganda, diba? Parang anytime may ahas. Wow! Pwede maligo dyan? Ganda. Ito yung lake. Delikado, guys. Alam nyo naman sa Australia. May crocodile, may shark, may anek. Ang ganda. Ay, masarap ang tubig. Hindi siya kalamigan. Hindi rin siya mainit. Perfecto. Parang gusto ko maligo dito. So, how far can I go? Parang safe naman siya, guys. Parang wala naman ako nakikitang anomalya. Basta clear, kita natin yung ilalim, we're safe. I love this. First day, so good. Day 1 of our road trip, I can tell you that it's a success. Can't wait for day 2 to 7. Shit. Oh my god, I can't wait na sa Melbourne. Like, oh, it's a different state, guys. Balik na tayo kasi tingnan natin yung fish. Ay, fish. Yung fish, yung dagat. Ayan. May magsasurf, guys. Oh. Para ako nasa desierto, guys. Oh, parang di kinakaya ng Crocs. Para mabilis ang ating paglalakbay. What are you doing, Winta? Are you writing? May nangingisda, may nagsisurf. Ay, yung ano tayo, yung umiikot. Dali. 1, 2, 3, go! Chun 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 chun. Yay! That's it, guys. That's it. Oh, let's do that. Dun 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 dun. Dali. Oh, may ano na kami ni Rain, TikTok. 1, 2, 3, go. Dun 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 dun. One more. Dun 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 dun. So, ayan guys, nakapag-beach na kami ulit. Ito, yan guys, oh. Yan yung power niya. Nakakabit siya sa ating camper van. Ayan. Kailangan niya nakasaksak para magamit natin yung aircon, yung microwave. We're gonna prepare na for our dinner. So guys, tapos na kaming kumain and it's time to hugas-hugas na. So guys, nandito tayo ngayon sa kitchen, ay buray, shared kitchen area. And hugasan natin ito. Hi guys, so we're done with the dishwashing and balik na tayo. Shit, kailan kaya ako maliligo? Bukas na lang. Habang naghuhugas ako guys, napaparanoid ako kasi syempre hindi naman natin ito teritoryo. And ako lang andun, so tapos biglang may dumating na couple, mga Australian ata yun. So gulat ako, sabi ko, sabi ko, hi, ganun. Karen naman, mabait naman sila. So guys, ayun, may flashlight kami. Hindi naman naabot, Rain. So we're gonna throw Rain, the trash.
The moment I said horror game, the textures of everything changes into a horror game. I'm perceiving this like a horror game.
Oh.
It looks like a horror game. Look.
Dun, dun, dun,
That looks
dun.
like a horror game to me. No,
Dun, dun,
that
dun.
looks out of place.
You're
That
just
looks-
scared, I
That
know.
looks too big to be real. That's too big.
I know you're scared.
That's supposed to be smaller.
Yeah, you're
Everything's supposed to be
scared.
smaller.
So where's the trash? This is our mission. This is our quest.
But
We're
what's the
looking for the
threat?
trash bin.
But what's the threat here?
The threat is we die. Bum bum bum
Did you
bum.
know what?
Garbage. Yeah, rubbish. This is for tall people.
I'm not tall.
Good thing I brought you.
Wait, I need to wind this up. No.
Just put 1 by 1 and 2 by 2. Hintian. Oh, you have flash spotlight. Okay,
So
quest completed.
siestang siesta.
Oh my gosh. Hi,
15
Cloud.
more minutes, then no more iPad.
What's your
Namiss ako ni Cloud.
Eight.
Cloud, come here. I missed you, Cloud. So guys, I'm gonna set up my bed now. Ayan siya. Hindi ko na siya Okay na to sa akin na space. Pwede pa kasi ito maging double bed. Ayan. Pero wag na. Okay na sa akin ng single. Hala guys, umabot na talaga ako sa punto na ako maging single.
You're
You understand?
single?
Yan! Pa-feeling. Oh, Cloud, dyan ka na lang. This is my bedmate, Winter. So guys, this is the end of day 1 and
I'll be fine.
we'll see you tomorrow. Bye. Good night. Good night. Good night. Okay, good night.
Good night.
Rain, where are you? Say good night.
Good night.
Kuya Jaan, Cloud, good night.
Good night.
Cloud, uy! Nakalock na ako, Kuya Ja. Itong front. Baka mamaya, pagising natin, may nagdadrive ng iba.